of Tej. We are gathered here to honor the hard work and dedication of our brainiacs and revel in the cultural festivities that bring vibrancy to our lives. Let's make this day memorable for all of us. To begin with, I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. Inderbir Singh Ji Nijjar, President Chief Khalsa Diwan. We are truly honored by your presence, sir. I also extend warm welcome to Sardar Santokh Singh Ji Sethi, Vice President Chief Khalsa Diwan, Sardar Jaspal Singh Ji Tillon, Additional Honorary Secretary, Sardar Rabinderbir Singh Ji Palla, Member in Charge, GT Road School, Sardar Gurpreet Singh Ji Sethi, Member in Charge, GT Road School. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us today. I also extend warm welcome to our Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistresses, teachers, parents and dear students. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining us with today's celebration. Let us start this auspicious day by seeking the blessings of Almighty through a soulful redemption of Shabad. I request you all to stand, cover your head and join this divine prayer.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
I extend a warm welcome to Sardar Lakhvinder Singh Ji Tillon and Sardar Mohanjeet Singh Ji Palla. Thank you so much, sir, for being here with us today. Punjabi culture is rich in traditions, customs and spirituality. It is a vibrant blend of music, dance and cuisines. Punjabis are known for their hospitality, warmth and generosity. It's all about celebrating life and spreading happiness. Let's energize the atmosphere today with a vibrant Punjabi fusion dance. Our talented students are ready to dazzle us with their performance. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. fill the whole atmosphere with energy and enthusiasm. May I have the honor to call upon stage our very respected Sardar Rabinder B. Singh Ji Palla, member in charge of the school, to address the audience.
To welcome the worthy President CKD, Dr. Inderveer Singh Ji Nijjar, Sardar Santosh Singh Ji Sethi, Vice President, Sardar Jaswal Singh Ji, Additionally Honorary Secretary, distinguished members of Chief Khalsa Diwan, respectable principal, teachers, proud parents, and dear students. This ceremony awarded the meritorious student, and it also worked the progress and success of our school. Our school believes in proper education, which plays a crucial role in a student's bright future. For this belief, our teachers, with the guidance of the principal, provided their best towards the direction of a student's success. Our students provide their ability in the academic field and on the extracurricular field, including sports, artwork, etc. They made us proud with their tremendous growth and effort. The prize distribution function is more than an event. It is a recognition of the hard work, dedication, and perseverance of our students. It is a moment to celebrate their accomplishment and to encourage their continuous striving the excellence in their endeavor. As you receive your award today, remember that this is not just the beginning. Continue to pursue your passion, work hard, never stop learning. As we celebrate the achievement of our student today, let us also look forward to the future with hope and determination. Together, we can achieve great things and make a positive impact on the world. Once again, welcome to 2024 year prize distribution ceremony at Sri Guru Har Krishan Public School, GT Road, Amritsar. Let's make this event a memorable ceremony of excellence and achievement. I express my heartiest gratitude to our principal madam, teachers and their parents for their support and effort to develop these young talents. Their effort towards the student are unforgettable. Lastly, I thank you all for coming together to this ceremony, adding more grace to it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. I thank Atamjit Singh Ji Basra and Sardar Niranjanjit Singh Ji for joining us. Get ready to be transported to the vibrant and royal land of Rajasthan, a state known for its majestic palaces, rich history and colorful traditions. Our next performance is a famous Ghumar dance which originated in the royal courts of Rajasthan. Ghumar is performed by women in traditional attires, twirling gracefully in circular motions accompanied by melodious songs on the occasion of Tej. It is a celebration of rich cultural heritage of Rajasthan. Let's enjoy Ghumar dance by our amazing performers. Welcome them with a huge round of applause.
थारे एहसासों की रौनक है भारी दीवाली मन महल की सारी दीवारें थारे रंग रंग वाली थारे एहसासों की रौनक है भारी दीवाली मन महल की सारी दीवारें थारे रंग रंग वाली पाके थारा साया तन है जगमगाया तारों भरे हम गए भारी सारी काली रात भर के ढोला वाले ठमके घूमर 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 घूमे घूमर 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 भाई साहब घूमर घूमे धनक पीत के सर पे ओढ़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे ललक रीत सब घर के छोड़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे घर के ढोला वाले घाट घूमर 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 घूमे घूमर 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 भाई साहब घूमर घूमे
Move was simply captivating. We hope you enjoyed this beautiful journey into the heart of Rajasthan.